LUKA-TAP is more than just a GNSS receiver. It's your ideal UAV mate, making drone operations simpler and more accurate. LUKA-TAP supports TAP service, the Tersus's precise point positioning technology that provides real-time corrections via satellite link. With TAP, LUKA obtains an absolute accuracy of 15 millimeters horizontal and 30 millimeters vertical accuracy for base coordinates. Reference to the Unified Global Reference Frame ITRF 2020 current epoch. This means wherever you set up, your coordinates are always consistent and globally aligned. After setting up LUKA-TAP to base mode, it shares correction data directly through Wi-Fi hotspot in a private network. This allows your drones to achieve fixed, without core service, cellular coverage, or survey benchmark. Besides working as a base station, LUKA-TAP can also serve as a rover for measuring GCPs. Powered by TAP service, it also gives you real flexibility and mobility, working free from the constraints of a local base station, CORS network, UHF radio, or cellular connection. LUKA-TAP simplifies UAV surveying, accurate, consistent, and easy. Your ideal UAV mate.